Say pull that out and get behind me. Ooh, damn, you surprise me. Yeah, I might cuff it up, make you wifey. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm in the kitchen recording because my son is asleep and I'm not ready to wake him up yet. But today I'm going to be unboxing my baby wrap that I ordered on Walmart.com. It's a baby carrier and it comes like this in this box because my newborn, he's 1.5 months and he doesn't like me to put him down. So I thought this might help me get some stuff done around the house. But anyways, when you open the box up, this is how it comes. It's like some little gift cards and stuff. No, not gift cards, like coupons. Like a little manual. What's this? I'm a proud parent. I really am. So, I'm going to take it out the box. So I have it out the box, and this is how it looks. It comes folded up. I'm going to unfold it. Ooh, it's kind of big. Let's see. Okay, it's like a big old drape that I don't know how to put together. So I'm going to have to read the instructions first. But before I start using it, hold on guys. Before I start using it, I'm gonna wash it first because I don't know where it's been. Oh, it has instructions on YouTube, so I might check that out. And it also comes with this little this little pouch, so you can put it in. Maybe like if you're traveling. But I'm gonna check out these instructions and then I'll come back with the video.
Get behind me. Ooh, damn, you surprise me. Yeah, I might cuff it up, make you wifey.